And we're live again. This will be our last attempt to see if the live stream will work. I did adjust a few more things. Let's see if it will cook. Let's see. We did miss the beautiful BBC already. Yeah, only the streaming is cooked, boys. LNG is not our account, right? But is it good now? It's fourth time the charm. saying streaming connections excellent. I think I might have figured it out, boys. Dumb, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Did miss this beautiful BBC though. Very unfortunate. But I was probably gonna try knife catching it, so it's probably a good thing that we had these stream difficulties today, huh? So far, so good. Yeah, let's go. LFG, boys. LFG. Wait, hold on. Been so distracted. Forgot to check the cockpits. The leader account is 01. 01, perfect. Holy shit, we have a lot of accounts. Okay. Yeah, everything looks good there. Good morning, pardon me. It's still saying excellent condition, boys. I think we might have gotten it. We might have got the settings just right. Now we cannot multi-stream to anywhere but YouTube, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. Usually I do get a lot of viewers on X, but I mean, what can we do, right? We can't live stream, then it just doesn't really matter. But we'll see how it goes today, and we'll maybe try again tomorrow with X, but just to see if we got all of our settings perfect. But oh, thanks for the sub, TTBZ. But yeah, hopefully we got our settings prime time once again, and we won't have any problems. Yeah, OBS Streamlabs. Oh yeah, we are doing a giveaway right now, boys. It's a $50,000 instant funding account with no consistency rule from Trader. Type in exclamation point DGT to enter, boys. LNG. What up, investors? Who caught this clip? Because that was a beautiful clip. It was the classic London crawl up into just a complete annihilation cliff. I wasn't expecting it at all-time high, so I was looking to knife catch, but I didn't do it. Thank the Lordy. But now we have to find another setup, huh? God, what a nice cliff. That was such a nice cliff. It's absolutely beautiful cliff. Might be able to take a scalp right here for like the 30s. I think we'll give it a second here. Yeah, really nice drop. Beautiful drop. Might be going higher here. A V-shaped recovery is not out of the cards at all. I mean, this was a classic all-time high. New York Open sell-off. Still at all-time highs. We reused basically previous all-time highs as support. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, the chances of a V-shaped recovery are pretty big here. Or the odds, I should say. But we'll see. We'll see. Shorting this like maniacs, boys, or what? I mean, technically that would be the trend, right? It wouldn't be a bad idea. It's, yeah. I mean, it's 50-50. Probably 60-40, 60% chance we continue the downtrend, but we shall see. Right now, we're just chilling. We're chilling. Trying to get over the pain we just went through just to get the live stream working. So we'll see if we get another setup. But that short play we just came up with just cooked beautifully. It was a nice little scalper. 8 points of that was 20 points too. Right to the 30s. Probably another leg lower. I mean, this is looking like a tight downtrend, but let's see. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Let's see if it'll hold, boys. There's no NFP tomorrow, huh? Perfect. All right, it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, so far we're getting the classic two candle bounce here. Does not mean we are V-shaped recovering just yet, but let's see. Go ahead and move our trend line since we got our two candles, and let's see if this holds or if it's going right off the cliff. I'm actually pretty down just to enter the shorts here, but I'd like to enter at like 71s. Or when it starts cliffing, because we don't know if it's actually going to still cliff. Trying to go with the trend here, but V-shaped recovery, very, very possible. Did just get our entry right there, but we didn't take it. Yeah, we could wait. We could see if it's going to start V-shaped recovery or if it's just getting ready for the next leg down. Next leg down will be quick, though. It does come. Could be a VWAP sweep, too. But if it's going to hold the downtrend, we'll do it now. Really prefer not to chase. But I don't like our entry because our stop would be right at VWAP. And I don't want to extend it. We wait. Got the new 4-hour and the new hourly right here too. Still technically bullish on the higher time frames. What up, GZ1 baby? How you doing? What up, damn good chance? Dude, I like your name. Is that why you made that account just to enter the giveaway? You made an extra account for another chance to win the giveaway. I like your dedication. You made too many of them though, and I'm not gonna let you win. But like one or two accounts if you really, really want. I'm okay with it. Fuck me, is this gonna be a V-shaped recovery? This is the last attempt. We could get a sweep of the 90s, maybe even the hundreds, and still be good for the downtrend, but let's see if the bulls get some volume here and we actually do start blasting back up. How's it going, Pookie? Had a shitload of problems trying to get this stream live. Took 4 different tries to actually get it to get the settings right, but it looks like the settings are right now, so we're cooking. We're cooking nicely. Could try the VWAP shorts. Still technically bearish. A little bit sketchy, but this could just cliff. Let's try it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's see if the trend will continue. We'll fade the V-shaped recovery. Still got the VWAP sweep that could come. It's a little bit of a problemo, but it just might not come. But this is kind of the point where it's either going to blast up or send it off the cliff. I do kind of want to enter on a big push up, though. I'm not convinced there will be one. Oh yeah, we got banned on TikTok already, boys, from the first live stream. Literally didn't even make it fucking 15 minutes today on TikTok. Technically, it's not banned, it's like suspended or whatever, but. Let's go for something like this. Let's see if we get this big push down. Looking for another low day sweep. Previous month's high at 27. I think 27 is a good TP. We'll go for that. Let's see if we'll get this push. It's a 4-hour open sweep. We got a little bit of a bounce off of it. See if we'll get the dump scoot. Yes, looks like it wants new lows. Q's bear flagging. But we're at all-time highs, so V-shaped recovery, maybe. Dum dum dum. This might be the liquidation blast up for the shorts. Let's see if she'll hold. Yes, trying to break down, break its lows. New 5 minutes. Let's see if we get this cliff scoot. Could even targets the low sweep. Just trail our stop. See if it is going to break down. Yes, just double bottomed. Q still trying to hold. I'm liking our odds here. I'm liking our probabilities. And our RR. Okay, here's ES going for its low sweep. Just broke its lows. Oh, ES getting a push. Come on, NQ. Send her off. Send her off, baby. Send her off. Send her off the fucking clip. We're looking for a 70-point banger. Like a 65-point banger here. Can we get that push? Can we get that push? Come on, give it to us, NQ. Give it to us. Yes, fucking barcoded and just clip. Well, NQ join the clip skeets. Is that all she wrote? And ES will get the low sweep, but NQ will not. We could move our stop loss down significantly. Only risking $230 to make $1,300 now. Let's see if she'll keep on pushing. Tapping the 4-hour open once again. Let's see if it'll turn into resistance for us. A little bit of regret for not trailing our stop, because we could have just re-entered, but still believe in the play. ES is using previous low a day now. The previous 4-hour low is resistance. Can we get the full breakdown on NQ? Massive RR trade here. Will the market agree with me? Yes, trying to push through another low. Double bottoming. It's trying to hold. Holding on for dear life right now, boys. Do 5 minutes and 3 seconds. It's a big wick. Still technically holding our little downtrend, just a little bit of overshoot. Can we keep on keeping on? Is this gonna be one of those slow, choppy downtrends, or is this the slow ass V-shape recovery? Gold is cliffing this morning. Ooh, gotta take those 25 points when you get them. Yeah, we are on unrealized trailing drawdown as well. That'll hurt if we don't get this trade. But if the trade cooks, we're golden. It's trying its best to be fucking bullish, though. Trying his darnest. Looks like she might hold on to. Hopefully we just get a little double top here. We send her off. ES is still setting up for another leg down, but NQ is looking much more bullish. And a sloppy double toppy. Shut down second day. Wall Street not bothered yet. Let's see if Wall Street gets bothered here. Some more about this government shutdown and not having data tomorrow. They were bothered a little bit right in New York Open. Hate to do it, but I'm gonna move my stop up for 300. 300 is good. I just want to see if it's gonna sweep VWAP just a little bit and then continue the downtrend. We're still downtrend position, technically. Still know how high NQ is gonna try to sweep us out. Looking for a big play here, so patience will be our friend. Hopefully it will pay us. Yes, getting that pop. Yeah, there's that pop on NQ too. Let's see if it's just a sweep. There's a VWAP. Sweep. It's gonna get us. Just might get us. Wouldn't mind having our stop loss up here, but at the same time, I think we could just take it and re-enter if needed. Okay. Let's see if we just needed that sweep to go off the cliff. Fucking missed us by a ball hair right there, Jesus. Is that like 2 points? Still trying to be bullish though. Get the cliff. Get the cliff. Do we need to bust out the trusty magnet for this one, boys? Rumor has it if we angle this just right, it'll bring us straight to the TP. Boom, that's perfectly aligned for our 5-minute candle that just opened. Let's see if our foolproof magnet strategy will work once again. It's gonna be one of those slow chop days. We are gonna get one of those slow chop days. We should get an NQ low sweep. Yes, making new lows already. Yes, so much more bearish. I wonder if NQ is gonna play catch up. What's the video doing? Nvidia bullish as usual. No more negative RR trades? Nah. Nah, no negative RR for us. Yes, the giveaway is live right now for instant funding from Tick Trader with no consistency rule. They are 70% off with code DGT right now. But you can just type in !DGT for your chance to win. See if you get lucky. Sell or buy. I'm in shorts right now, so I'm going to sell. But this trade worked on ES. Not working on NQ just yet. Not totally invalid though either. Not yet at least. The bear flag is invalidated though. It cooked, just didn't cook all the way. Like ES did. Not sure it will with Nvidia and Apple pumping. I think she's gonna get us this time. Still holding that VWAP. It just might be the blast. Slow grind back on up. Very tempted to add here, but I think we'll just stick with the 1 mini. We are stair stepping. We added, then we could just like TP like somewhere over here. Totally fucking good, but I think we're stopped. Good. Got us. Fuck. Whoa. Come on, flatten apex. Jesus. What the fuck was that? Why did we get an order failed there? Not good. Do we have too many accounts cooking or what? Shit, we might have got top ticked too. This is our new bear flag right here. Yes, still looks so bearish. Nvidia and Apple. More than likely gonna start scalping here. I'm gonna take the shorts again for a little scalp here. Stop at that high. Not the best entry, but let's see if it'll cook. God, I really want to go for this play though. Yes, breaking out of its downtrend right now. This might be the rocket ship. It's a new high. Add one more. Look for it just to tap the trend. And for that SMA rejection, can we cook it? Our margins are super tight. Yes, blasting off. It might have just been a sweep. Kind of want to see how low this will go. Limit buy one right there. Let's see if that was the final sweep and we just fucking clip it. Take one off right there. For a 10-pointer. We can get it. It's holding like a mother. I don't think we fucking recover. Not yet, at least. Let's see. 24,800 by tomorrow. Thinking overnight pump, or are you thinking today for a full recovery? Fibonacci Freddy fucking been on his game lately. Not gonna get the stop loss on. We're just gonna keep on crawling up. Is that what's gonna happen here? Kinda looks like it. Yes, tapping a major level for the bounce. Can we reject once again on NQ here? Nice rejection. Now just make a new low here on this 5-minute. Hit our first TP. Really nice rejection. Get that push. First TP. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, all right, we got it. LMG. Now let's see if we get this continuation. If not, then we're risk free. And we still want 25K-ish. Just chopped around for long enough. Maybe we do get our next leg down. Big maybe, but we could indeed. I kind of want to move our stop right there though. Minus 125. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Massive play is what we're looking for. Banger. It's still holding this little uptrend. Technically a bear flag though, so maybe it could print. $15 even flagging. We could just see an obliteration candle. Let's see if we get the obliteration. Crude all-time high market is back again. Yeah. It's back indeed. There's a 4-hour open once again. We break this, it should be smooth sailing off the cliff, but let's see. We might just be stair stepping all the way back on up. Yes, looking like it's ready for another leg down though. Okay, decent little breakdown. I want to change how this looks. Text, okay, we can make it more transparent, huh? I don't think that did anything though. Okay, hold on, we gotta realign our magnet. Boom. Let's do it on the next one. So the next 5-minute print is just straight to the TP. So 10 minutes left in the 15. Gold and silver dump skied. Shit, they're still dumping too. Jesus. Oh god, I kind of want to go FOMO into gold, but still like our trade here. Just taking its sweet ass time. ES is so much more bearish. ES has like a perfect downtrend going for it. But NQ does not. Will she play catch up, or is NQ gonna be bullish and NQ and ES bearish all fucking day? Or will our fucking epic magnet strategy work right now? And we get the fucking clue. Let's see it cook. Let's see it cook. Let's see it cook. Ready your position for shorts? I was thinking about it, but we already hit our TP on the other account, so we could just kind of hold this, you know, risk free. If I over leverage, then I might get a little shaky. I want a diamond hand, so I'm not gonna oversize. Plus, we just don't need the extra risk. But if we did add a second, then we get TP like right here at 36, and that would be kind of beautiful. But then if it just moons, then we're back to red, so forget about it. I do like it for the fucking cliff ski a lot though. But it's still holding, it's still holding. So is ES. ES is double bottoming right now as well. Gold smoked. He's in trade sync, yeah. Whoa. Why are Apex accounts red? Tick Tick isn't even in this. I don't think they fixed my data on Tick Tick. I think my Apex accounts didn't get that second con, huh? Might have to delete and reconnect. Well, let's see if this trade plays out. At damn gold. Yeah, 15 minutes still fucking rolling up. You gonna get us? Is this where we add our second lot? But I don't think Apex is gonna copy it. I think we have to delete and reconnect Apex. Let's see, this is the final attempt, or if we're slow crawling back up. Hopefully it doesn't sweep us out. You might want that high sweep. Yeah, move magnet. Let's see if we get this fucking cliff ski. Looking for that annihilation, bearish engulfing on the 15-minute here. Has beautiful bear flag printing. We're just waiting for it. See if it'll cook or not. What's up, Mixon? It's exclamation point DGT to enter the giveaway, baby. I'm not liking how our Apex account got a shitty entry. Apex is like my primary focus. But it shouldn't matter too much if we do get this fucking nasty cliff. Big if. Gotta believe in the magnet, boys. Believe in it. Believe in the magnet. Believe in the cliff. Love the cliff. Embrace the cliff. I have a feeling we're gonna sit through all this bullshit and then eventually it'll get close to our TP and we're just gonna close it. And then later on it's just gonna fucking nuke 100 points. Believe the magnet, the pool, the force of the G. We live again, hell yeah, baby. No chance of low of day holds. Yeah, let's fucking smoke that low of day, baby. Smoke it. Smoke it. By the way, there is a giveaway happening live right now on this stream if you just type in exclamation point DGT. And another giveaway live right now in the DGT Discord. You just got to join it in the description below. It is free. And just go in the giveaways tab and click the emoji. Winner will be chosen very soon for that giveaway. It's our entry 716, 726. Oh, that's our balance. The fuck? 77. Okay. Let's see if it'll get this push. This would be where the bear flag prints, boys. Let's see if we'll get it. Let's see if we'll get the nuke. Breaking out of this little uptrend bullshit too. How low will she go? Can she cook all the way? Make the magnet bigger for stronger pull? That's the best advice I've ever heard. Not financial advice, of course. Let's go ahead and pop that up. Definitely no NFA here. Magnets are a valid trading strategy, but day trading carries immense risk. And 95% of day traders lose or more. Hey, you gotta do exclamation point, Trent. The bot will pick it up and enter you into the giveaway. Yes, already making another new low. Time to play catch up and Q. Just give us a nasty 60 pointer straight off the cliff. Straight off the cliff. Push it. It's a big pivot we're on right now. Can we just blast right on through? Can we get the blast? Okay. We're on our next pivots. This wouldn't be a bad place to TP, but we're going big. We want that lower day, baby. We want it. Can we get it? Can we get the push? Can we get the push? Can we get the big push? We got a giant fucking magnet pulling price towards our TP. Can we get it? Next pivot point. Oh, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. Can we blast on through? Can we just blast? Can we just blast? Can we just blast? I do kind of want to just TP here. I do think we get the blast. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? It's risky holding through this. Very risky holding through this. But can we get the push? Who our stop loss just in case? Fucking wicks up super fast on us. Okay, I didn't get the order failed there, so that's good. Give us that push. Might be going for our stop loss, but we got an FVG protecting us. It is expected that we bounce off this. It's just how big of a bounce will it be? Can we go smash that low? Not loving our unrealized trailing profit drawdown here. If we get this final push, then it won't matter. Fuck. We're right on the SMA too. Might want that 4-hour open. Just right where our stop is. I gotta move the stop up a little bit. I don't want to get stopped out on some bullshit. I'll get 350 out of it. That sucks, but it's okay. Let's see if the play works. $20 for the new 5. It needs to be the fucking brutal one. We swept the previous month's high and bounced super hard, which is expected. It's just how high would she bounce? Can we finish her off? A damn good cliff. Give us that big old push. Big old push. Looking for devastation here, boys. Devastation. Annihilation. Okay, holding previous day's high. Breaking it. Let's see this push. Let's see this big fucking last push. Come on, give it to us. Trigger fingers getting itchy right now. Five minutes still looks pretty good for it though. Come on, big push, big push. Big push. Off the cliff. Send her off the cliff. With the force, with the quickness. Nasty push. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Holding the double bottom right here. Just by a little bit. Thanks for the sub. No more excuses. Give us that last push. Not looking for too much here, boys. Just a sweep of the lower day. Worth the risk, though. We already got $1,000. Can we make it $1,500? The question. Previous month's high is holding like a fucking brick wall. That just means when it gets ripped, it's just gonna fucking dive even harder. It's kind of holding bearish. Oh. Okay, big push. Fucking now or never. About to close this biatch. She's still holding so bearish. Come on, big devastating swoop. One last push. One last push. One last push. 30 seconds on the 5. Come on, I want it to get there before this 5-minute closes. Give us that big push through. 10 seconds. Get there, get there, get there. Nice, there's a sweep. Go for it, baby, go for it. New 5-minute incoming. I'm gonna have to move our stop down tremendously a lot. And we're probably just gonna get stopped out. Yeah, alright, it got us. That's okay. Ooh, man. Something's going on here. But we are looking pretty good, boys. Let's see if we just refresh it, if it's gonna be fixed. Got $1,000 across the board on Lucid. Only 600 on the PAs. $1,000 on TP, $1,000 on Top Step, $1,000 on our fucking the futures desk. Fideas, $1,000. Let's reconnect Apex because there's something funky going on here. Might be having way too many accounts. That could be the problemo. They got you in profit. LOD. Good trade, bro. Hell yeah, thank you. 20K day loading, yeah. And we already got it. I think it's still good. I think it's gonna fucking still probably cliff, but I think I'm pretty happy with today. Good day. Good day. Let's reconnect tick. I'm not sure if they fixed the data issue. Let's take a look. Oh no, I do have data. I just gotta reconnect. And that's it. Then we should be good. Enable all these bad boys. We didn't get our point for the day. That's okay. Apex is looking fucking real beautiful. These are dangerously close to payouts. No, not dangerously. I think we still need 4K because we had that one 3K day. Magnet worked though, boys. It's pretty legit. LMG. Yeah. Trade Sinker is 10% off with code DGT. Any good prop firm and any good tool, you'll get the max discounts with code DGT. If you go to damnpropfirms.com too, I have a whole page about Trade Sinker along with all the discounts updated every single day. Right now, Lucid's got 50% off 2 accounts, including S straight to funded, and 40% off the rest. Apex is running 80% off, $85 activation fee with special eval pricing for the big ones, the big accounts. That ends October 16th. Funding ticks 35% off if you never used them. Funded next 10% off. But yeah, you could look at Trade Sinker here. Read all about it if you want to. A lot of good stuff here. Got a whole video on it, etc. A lot of good stuff on this website, along with this consistency calculator I just built too. So actually, I think 3120 was our consistency, our best day on Apex. So we're at 30. So we have to make about $10,400 in order to get these 2 accounts to pay out, all the accounts to pay out, including our 300Ks. So we need what? $4,400 more. Yeah. There's our TP right there. We bailed a little bit early, but that's okay. It's okay. I'm still happy with our green day. Might have paper handed a little bit too hard. That was nice. How much is Trade Sinker? I don't know. You got to look at their website for the prices. For the Lucid accounts you recommend? I like the 150K directs, but that's just me. How does it work? All the Lucid accounts are good though. I mean, their test accounts are fucking some of the cheapest in the industry right now with no activation fee. Fucking just Lucid's just goated. They just got Tradovate. They have Rhythmic. They have Project X. They have every single platform you could want. Lucid is just beyond goated. And with this Tradovate launch sale, it's stupid not to get Lucid accounts. How does it work out? For example, you have 30 accounts. What I see you're executing on Lucid X and copies to all your accounts. once, top step, apex. Yeah. So basically, I mean, I have a whole video breakdown on it, but basically you set a leader account, and then you choose that leader account right here. Make sure it's the same account that you have as your leader account. Then whatever this leader account does, it'll copy to every single other account. Doesn't matter what platform it's on, as long as you have this toggled enabled. I turned off our TPT accounts just in case we do take another trade, because I mean we're halfway to passing these bad boys, so they're fine. But yeah, it's gonna copy trade to every single other account that has this on. Stop losses, everything. Let's take a look at a little snapshot here. We're up 20 G's right now, more than 20 G's technically, because Lucid and Top Step are not being included in there yet. They're still working on getting Project X included on there. We're looking at a 20 G day already, boys. Actually, more like a 30 G day. We could just take it and be happy. I think that's what we're gonna do. I think so. Even though I think this is like just the start of the mega cliff. We might wait for one more trade. We might try it. So if it sweeps 25K, there's no telling how low this will go. I mean, 995 is a big pivot point, but well, let's see what happens at 995 ish. If it bounces into a full-blown bull run, or if it just gets a little bit of a bounce into a bear flag, we could expect another mega cliff. What broker you recommend? You mean trading platform? I have that on the website as well. If you go over here to best trading platforms, you know, most of this stuff is my opinion, and there's a lot of facts in here. But Project X is my number one. You know, you get risk management. You can do custom contract size limits. Like we go into our risk settings right now. I'm locked out on the day actually, so. Oh no, I'm not locked out. But I locked my risk settings. I can only do 2 minis maximum. I can only take 10 trades per day. I only have 7 trades remaining. If I hit $1,500, I'm liquidated and blocked immediately. If I hit $3,125 profit, I'm liquidated and blocked out. And then I won't be able to take another trade. And I lock these every day before we start trading, just to make damn sure if I tilt, I can't change it. But like if I'm debating taking another trade, but if I was like I'm fucking done, I could have been like, boom, I'm done all day right here, lock me out, and I just won't be able to take another trade. Like that's so huge for me, because it's hard for me to control myself when I go on tilts. I just fucking lose it, and I'll fucking start clicking buttons, and I'll do all the wrong things, like subconsciously on purpose, just because I'm so fucking pissed. So Project X is my favorite because of all those risk settings. Do you like TradeSync? Heard others criticize it. Copy trader you like best? I like TradeSync the best. They're my number one. They're my number one. Oh, for stocks and futures, Webull. I like Webull. Stocks, futures, and options. I'm locked for the day. 520. Hell yeah, non-descript. I want to see if this is going to bull flag here after this major. We just swept that major pivot point. So I want to see if we get a little bull flag or something here, or we stay on trend. We might take one more short, but that was our TP. We didn't diamond hands it, unfortunately, but this could be just the beginning of a fucking omega cliff. I'm also okay with taking our beautiful day. Apex account's looking juicy, brother. Payout is cooking. Hell yeah, maximum strength. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. Slowly but surely. So we will give you trading view for free. No, but you could use prop data. Just choose a prop firm with the Tradovate connection, and they'll give you CME data for free on trading view. I believe so. I've always paid for the trading view subscription, so I don't actually know if that works. But in theory, it should work. I know Apex will do it. Lucid now has Tradovate, so you can connect it to TradingView. I don't see any reason it wouldn't work. It might even give you commodities as well. Yeah, it should give you commodities, live data, and everything. Yeah. But no, Webull doesn't give you TradingView for free. But they do have a badass execution platform that I like a lot. We got the stop loss hunt. Previous high a day just got rejected. Could pop up to like 57 and still be bearish. Technically, or still be good for the downtrend. Bounced at Sydney low. Yep. Huge pivot point. So hype for Black Friday prop firms discounts. Yeah, hell yeah, that's gonna be lit. Yeah. And on damnpropfirms.com, my website that I'm building for you guys, will have all the sales side by side right here, so you guys can compare the best ones and choose which ones you like. Right now, I think Lucid and Apex have the best sales. I mean, 50% off instant funding is insane. On the PA activation fee, plus the discount on the big boy accounts is it's pretty good. I just like Apex. I mean, $70,000 every 8 days with 2,300K accounts. Where the fuck else can you find that? This is a big bounce. I'm assuming it's just a stop loss hunt, but we could very well just range for the rest of the day. Oh, look at her. We got a 50% win rate now. Rip. Actually, 50% is good. I'll take 50%. Obviously, our winners are bigger than our losers, so we're looking good. We might be taking this short at 57. 54 to 57, actually. This is getting pretty fucking bullish, so not totally convinced yet. Congrats for your profits. Thank you, my boy. Did you build the website yourself? Yeah. Yeah, I know it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but I still spent a fuck long time on it. Hundreds of hours. Hundreds of hours. And it'll just keep getting better over time. There's me. And then we are launching one of the biggest giveaway we've ever fucking done ever in just a few days. We're giving over 100 prop firm accounts. I think it's like something like $30,000 worth of accounts or something like that. I didn't do the math yet, but I'm going to be announcing it very soon on X and on YouTube here. And then and we'll get the giveaway rolling. We're gonna have over 100 winners. It's by far the biggest giveaway we've ever done, ever. There's that rejection right off our fucking pivot, or right off our trend line. I don't want to chase this, but I think it might be good for it. Let's go for a little scalp. Just a little one. Let's see if we can get it. Are all of our accounts in on it? Yes, Tick is in on it as well. Okay, we need $500 on Tick. Let's just go off P&L, I guess. Oh god, I hate trading off P&L, but this looks pretty good for us. That was a beautiful rejection. Let's see if we get this drop. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. A little bit nervous, kind of just want to scalp, but we got a little bit of a late entry. This should be good for it, in theory. In theory, boys. In theory. Give us that push. Give us that push. Give us the push. Tapping into that BG right now, though. How's it gonna hold? Can we get that push? Can we get that push? Break down, break down, break down, break down. Break her down. Break her on down. Yeah, we're out, we're out. I'm not gonna risk it. We already had a good day. Take a little $80 bonus, fuck it. Uh-oh. Okay, nice, we're good. All right, taking a run, yeah, I'll just take that. Market dashboard is it summing up all news from Forex Factory investing? So watch for news rules. It's using a different calendar. I couldn't get the one from Forex Factory, but it should have all the top news that you could want. We're using the Trading View one, but the thing is, we're supposed to have NFP, and I'm not sure we're gonna have it because of the government shutdown. But yeah, I mean, Trading View has a sick earnings calendar. So yeah, you could use this. Trading View has all the good stuff. Just look out for the USA flag and like non-farm payrolls and shit. Those are like heavy hitters. I just don't know if we're actually gonna have it with this government shutdown. But yeah, you can get all the news. You can look at earnings here too. We have Nike earnings Tuesday, or we had Nike earnings. We have Tesco. It already released. Yeah, so we don't really have any earnings coming up. We have the top stories. Some technical analysis. Everyone's still bullish. This is for higher time frames. So for intraday, just be mindful. Could just go off a cliff. Market sentiment. I mean, we're at all-time highs, so everything's a buy. But yeah, you could use this for an economic calendar. Trading View is pretty accurate, I would say. I mean, we got the beautiful doji. This probably does continue. Do you mind explaining the rules of Lucid? Yeah, I don't remember them exactly. They really don't have too many rules. We could just look on our page here. This explains everything. You have all the platforms, payouts. Okay, so yeah, payouts are 5 to 8 days, 5 days with Lucid Pro, 8 days with Lucid Direct. withdraw payouts right when they're available. You get 100% of the first 10K, then 90%. You get a $200 monthly stipend when you're moved to a live account plus daily withdrawals. 35% consistency rule on Lucid Pro, 20% on direct. We have the 550K account, so our first payout will be like 15K if we can get there. It's 1 day to pass the eval. There's no activation fee on Lucid. Test accounts. Yeah, they really don't have many rules. It's really just a consistency rule. There's no consistency rule on test. You could pass in 1 day, 35% on pro, 20% on direct. I mean, that's pretty much it. You compare it to Tradovate. If you have any questions, you can usually just look on, each prop firm's page. Should explain pretty much everything. Lucid's paid out over $4 million to traders since like 5 months ago when they launched. They have 5,000 traders. The average payout time is 15 minutes. Fucking wild. They're based in Delaware, USA. Can only have a max of 500 accounts at the same time, but it could be any mix. You could have like 3 direct, 2 pro accounts, 5 direct. I have 550Ks personally. Yeah, that pretty much sums it up. Profit target for 150K is $9,000. I think yeah, I don't think we actually went over the max day, so yeah, the profit target's 9,000. I think our highest day was like $1,500. Consistency rules 20%. So yeah, once we get to the profit target of 9,000 to request a payout, as long as we don't, have like a $2,000 day, our profit target won't get moved up. But if we did have a $2,000 day, then our total profit required for a payout would be 1,000. So we'd have to make $1,000 on top of our profit target. And then I compared it to Tradovate over here too, if you wanted to try Tradovate. But Lucid has a better deal right now. Tradovate's still fucking beyond goated, but actually there's one thing that I didn't know about Tradovate. It's the gradual consistency rule. So for instant funding, it's 20% consistency for the first payout, 25% on the second, and 30% consistency rule on the rest of them. That's active after September 12th. So I mean, if you bought a Tradovate Lightning funded account right now, you'd get the scaling gradual consistency rule on each payout. That's pretty beautiful. There's a ton of info on here. If you guys are new to prop firms, then that's kind of why I made this website. It's for like new people trying to get into prop trading. It has a ton of info, just ridiculous amounts. I have a shitload of guides too, specifically on the Tradovate consistency rule, the Apex trader funding 4 commandments, like the 4 rules that are like the most important for Apex to get a payout. What are futures prop firms? Funded next versus funding ticks. Which one's better? Best prop firms for scalpers. Unrealized trailing drawdown explained. Top 11 questions about Apex. How do prop firms work? Like what's their business model and stuff like that. Got a lot of shit on this website. Got Bookmap, got TradeSync, Webull, Lux Algo. Cool. Good thing we got out of that trade. This would be brutal to hold through. If this does break down again below here, I think we're fucking cliffing like another 100 points or so. Massive chance it holds though. try the new Tradovate platform yet? I've tried Tradovate a bunch of times. Tradovate's not new to me. It's just new to Lucid. Lucid's on the top 3 of my list. Yeah. They're fucking getting up there for me too. So Bangkok, yeah. Why you scared, big gumbler, bro? I'm a gumbler, boys. I like to gumble. I also like to make a fuckload of money, baby. We had a nice green day. We're gonna lock it up, boys. We already hit our TP. We paper handed just a little bit, but we played it safe. So it's okay. We're still locking in fucking $1,000 on our instant funding accounts. Where are our Tradify accounts? Tradify. Did Tradify get these? I want to see what we got on Tradify. Looks like we're still in the red on Tradify for some reason. We shouldn't be. Oh no, it just did an update. Okay, no, yeah, we're good. We're good. We're looking real good here. Yeah, we're back in the green on Tradify too. Nice. Cool. Got a refresh or some shit. Yeah, we're looking pretty good, boys. We'll take the W. And we're gonna go ahead and press the all day lock me out so we cannot come back and overtrade later. We are abusing our Project X risk management capabilities because we've been on a massive losing streak. It's been terrible. So we're actively practicing risk management, and Project X is giving us all the tools we need to be able to do it effectively. So yeah, we're locking these bad boys in, and we're calling it a day. Fucking G's, boys. We fucking cooked. I mean, we got another little scalp to put us over $20,000 profit on the day. Fucking epic. Fucking epic. Very happy with our day. Boom. LF fucking G. And now we're going to announce the winner of the giveaway. So you better type in !DGT if you haven't already for your chance to win. So we're all done. We're ready to cook. Gonna go ahead and exit out of there. Go ahead and bring in our giveaway to see who the lucky winner is. Dun, 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 dun. Who's feeling lucky, boys? Who is feeling lucky? You have 5 seconds to enter. Cooked big time today. Fuck yeah, we did RG. LF fucking G. It's a beautiful green day for us. Beautiful green day. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Entries are closed. We are picking a winner. Who's gonna get lucky with a free instant funded account with no consistency rule from Tick Trader? Boom! It's Smurf97, dude. Congratulations. You just won a free instant funding account from Tick Trader. 50K account. No consistency rule. And all you gotta do is tell me your Discord name right now. I said right now, Wall. Where you at, Smurfy boy? Smurf97. Are you here? Hello? Hello, are you here? You want your free accounts? Do we need to pick another winner? A new winner? Oh, no, Smurf is here. Congratulations, Smurfy boy. Tell me your Discord name and then join my free Discord in the description below. And go ahead into the giveaway winners tab and just be like, hey, it's me. And I'll match your Discord name to the name you tell me right now. And also, if you did not win, then there is a giveaway happening live in the Discord. All you got to do is click this little emoji and you'll be entered. Boom. Hit that. Hit that button. It's ending in 2 days. I only have 195 entries. It's not that many. It's for a 50K trade day account, end of day drawdown. It's not trailing drawdown, even in funded. So it's kind of like TPT. You could pass in 5 days, the Eval, and then you could withdraw from day one. But this one's end of day drawdown. It's not unrealized trailing drawdown like TPT does. So if you didn't win, then go ahead and join this one, and also tune in tomorrow because we will have another giveaway. But yeah, tell me your Discord name right now, Smurf. Tell me your Discord name now. I see you here. Hello. Hi. Please listen and tell me your Discord name because we are ending the stream and you need to tell me your Discord name right now. Join my free Discord in the description below. Go into that giveaway winners tab. But I have to have your Discord name right now so I can make sure you get your account. Your Discord name is Valafils. Perfect, dude. Congratulations. Just join the Discord. Go in the giveaway winners tab. Just be like, hello, it's me. And I will DM you with your account code. I will not DM anyone else. Anyone else asking you for money or crypto is a scammer. So be on the lookout for that. I don't just DM people for no reason. But GG's, boys. Till tomorrow, we will be back with more live day trading, more giveaways, and more good stuff. And until then, boys, stay beautiful. Fucking love you guys.